Hello again. Welcome to week 3 of the Winter Holiday Knit Along. We're just entering the second half now of our project. Thanks again for all the photos that you're sharing online, and I'm really looking forward to seeing more this coming week. There's a lot of really great work going on. This is a relatively short video. There are just a couple of things that I wanted to mention. As you know, you'll be working on sections 5 and section 6 this week. Section 5 is a repeat of the mosaic grill pattern, and section 6 is the candy cane eyelet section. Regarding the mosaic grill, I wanted to remind you that the reason that we do the increases at the beginning of the section and the decreases at the end of the section is that the gauge for the mosaic grill is different. And because of that, if you don't add increases, you're going to have a very puckered design there. And the other point is that, as you can see from the first mosaic grill section, the background is red, which means that the color you started working with is red. And here it's gray, so the colors are reversed and you'll start out working with gray. The final section is the candy cane eyelet section. Someone asked me why I use SKP instead of SSK for the decreases with the eyelets, and there's a simple reason for that. You're also using knit 2 together for decreases, and I find that SKP combined with a yarn over makes for a much more similar sized hole with K2P, as the K2P. If I use SSK, for example, on this side, the hole always ends up a bit larger, and that's probably because I don't control it well enough. But if you use SKP, you don't have to think about it. So SKP is simply slip one stitch knitwise, knit the next stitch, and then slip that, pass that slip stitch over the knit stitch, okay? So when you've finished section 6, you're pretty much finished with the shawl, except for some points in completing the edge, the final edge, and the bind off. So that's what we'll be doing next week.